Hey everyone, I'll be introducing you to my Django web project, FolderZenith, a versatile application designed for efficiently managing folders and uploading files. Throughout this demonstration, I'll showcase the various features and functionalities of the application, offering a step-by-step walkthrough. You'll see how easy it is to create folders, upload files into them, and browse through your organized content. I use technologies and tools, including Django, Python, HTML, and CSS. Thank you for joining me, and I encourage you to try out the application for yourself if it's available on my GitHub, and it is free to use, link in description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or feedback in the comments section.